This is Amazon's Basics head strap camera mount for a GoPro, and hopefully it will also work on my camera, because I have an action camera but it's not a GoPro. It's this baby here. It just says action camera, so it's a cheap Chinese market one, but it should do the job. Hopefully this will work for that as well, because it's the same connections. So let's have a quick look. I've already broken the seal. There's nothing to look around on the box virtually, so I'm not going to do a quick look around the box. And this is how it basically came, like this. So first impressions. Oh, love the feel. Yeah, that feels really nice. It looks like glue, doesn't it? But it feels like a rubbery material. Yeah, that is really nice. Nice and stretchy. Feels like quality actually. I'm quite impressed with Amazon's Basics. Yeah. First impressions, yeah, I like it. So the idea behind this is that when I do some filming where I'm out and about, I can put this on my head, or put this on my head. There's a bit of fluff there, a bit of muck, and walk around with the camera on my head. Might look a bit silly, but who cares? Right, so I need to put in a bracket. Got this bracket here which comes with my action camera. It goes like that. So it should just slot in. Yeah, like so. Make sure you line it up. I lined it up. There you go. So probably want it something like that. Yeah, it feels really good. I knew it would fit. Well, I was pretty sure it would fit because I looked at the connection and I thought, well, they're going to be the same anyway. So yeah, very pleased. So yeah, like I said, feels like quality, so it should be quite comfortable as well, hopefully. It's quite stretchy. We will see. Got a nice bit of rubber there as well to protect the back of your head. Let's give it a try. Feel quite comfortable actually. I thought, you know, it might be a bit slippery, but doesn't feel like it's going to fall off. That's good. It allows me to use both hands now. Instead of holding a product and walking about, I've got both hands free, so whatever I'm doing, I can do normally. The only probably downside is you can't see where the camera's pointing, but hopefully, once you've figured out the best position for your action camera, and you should get used to it and just be able to set it up without even looking. So yeah, very pleased, very comfortable actually. I was expecting maybe a bit of itchiness, but nothing at the moment. Maybe in a couple of hours, who knows, it might be a bit itchy, but it feels like quality. Is it worth the money? Well, it's only just over £7, so yeah, it's definitely worth the money. It definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm quite pleased with it. I am going to be using this for some of my videos from now on. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching.